Here's how to connect the Hollyland Landmark microphones to your iPhone, or if you have an Android, this will probably work with an Android as well. Now, the first thing we want to do is grab our connector. I have the Type-C connector, but you might have the Lightning connector if you have the older model of the iPhone. And then obviously the next step is to connect our connectors to the iPhone. So just go ahead and connect the transmitter. Now, after you do that, you will see some lights flashing on the transmitter right here. As you can see, the blue lights right here. That means it's looking for the microphones. So all we have to do now is pull out the microphones that we're going to be using. If you're going to connect both of them, or if you're only going to connect once, just go ahead and pull them out. Now I went ahead and lowered the intensity of my lights in here so you can see the actual lights of the transmitter and the microphones that are connected. Now mine are green because I have the AI mode on for the voice, but yours are probably going to be blue, which is totally fine. It works the same way. Now, if your lights are not static, meaning that your lights did not connect or your microphones did not connect to the transmitter, this is what we're going to do. We're going to put the microphones on pairing mode. And to do that, all you have to do is flip it on its side and then hold this button right here, which will put it into pairing mode. You want to hold it for around 5 seconds. So you just go ahead and hold it. Now you will see the light turns off right before it starts blinking or it starts flashing like that. So just keep holding it until it starts blinking. Now, when we put them close to each other, they should connect automatically if this light was blinking. But if it did not connect, then you might have to put the transmitter onto pairing mode as well, which you would do by pressing this button on the bottom of the transmitter. Just go ahead and hold it for 5 seconds as well as we did earlier. So just go ahead and hold this. And then after 5 seconds, the transmitter should go into pairing mode, to which you now put the microphones on pairing mode as well. And they should start connecting without any trouble. And there you guys have it. That is how to connect your Hollyland Landmark microphones to your iPhone or to your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.